Welcome to another episode of my physics class series. I am teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you machine, and today's topic under the machine is efficiency. And this is a past question, WAEC 2002. Sit down, relax, and watch. Question 17. A block and tackle system has 6 pulleys. If the efficiency of the machine is 60%, determine its mechanical advantage. So we are meant to find the mechanical advantage, okay, of this particular machine. So solution. Okay, now so we're going to write out what is given in the question first. Okay, now a block and tackle system has 6 pulleys. Okay, so number of pulleys is 6. If the efficiency of the machine is 60, so efficiency, we're going to use capital E to represent efficiency of the machine, is 60%. Determine its mechanical advantage. So mechanical advantage, we're going to use MA to represent it, question mark. So these are the things that are given. Okay, so let's take the formula for efficiency of a machine. Now, formula for efficiency of a machine is given as mechanical advantage over VR times 100%. Now this VR is what we call velocity ratio. Now if you look at the question, velocity ratio is not given in the question. Now anytime you are solving question involving efficiency or question involving machine, once you see a block and tackle system has 6 pulleys, that 6 pulleys is the same thing as velocity ratio. Always take note. That 6 pulleys is the same thing as velocity ratio. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is that it has what? A velocity ratio of 6, which is equivalent to the number of what? Pulleys. So put your 6. Okay, so now the sum should find mechanical advantage. Okay, so now let's substitute all these values inside here. E is 60%. Which is 60 over 100. Since it's 60%, so 60 over 100. MA is what? MA, that's what we're looking for. VRO is 6, like what I said, is the number of pulleys is equal to VRO. So put your 6 here. 100% here means 100 over 100. Okay, so without wasting time, cancel, here we'll cross multiply. So we're going to have 100 times MA, we'll have 100 MA. 6 times 60, so we're going to have 360, 100 MA. So what do we do here? Divide both sides by 100. So we're going to have 360 divided by 100. Okay, now cancel. 36 divided by 10, you have 3.6, and that is our answer. You go to your option, the answer is what? C. So option C is the what? Answer to this particular question. And always take note, efficiency is giving us mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times 100%. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. See you next time again. Bye bye.